This is a representation of the periodic table. This first column has 1 valence electrons, which means it has a charge of positive 1. The second one has 2 valence electrons, which means it has a charge of positive 2. This section of the periodic table, which has 10 columns in its total, has each element has 2 valence electrons for its majority. There is a couple of exceptions, but these will be given to you in its case. Then this one has 3 valence electrons with a charge of positive 3, and so on. The last one has 8 valence electrons, which has a neutral charge because it reaches its maximum charge. An example is helium, which has 8 valence electrons. It doesn't combine with any other electron. An example of the first column is hydrogen, which has the atomic number of 1 and has 1 valence electron. On this chart, it explains the ratio between valence electrons and the charge. I already explained that 1 is positive 1, 2 is positive 2, and 3 is positive 3. 4 can be positive or negative 4. 5 starts going back as negative 3. 6 is negative 2. 7 is negative 1. And 8 is neutral. From 4 back, it's an cation. And from 4 and so on, it's an anion. Cations have positive charge and anions have negative charge.
Now we're going to explain an example.
Here what he's doing, he's putting the charges of aluminum with carbonate and the one from carbonate with aluminum.
This example is just like the other one, but now you need to know the formula. Cobalt has a charge of positive 3 because it's given to you in the question. And hypochlorite has a charge of negative 1. Now he exchanges the numbers just like the other example.